Oh, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Hello, everybody. Welcome to summer camp. Miss Megan's Camp Kindergarten Summer Camp Edition. Today is Wednesday. It's the middle of the week. What do you want to tell them?
Today it's our neighbor's birthday, so we're going to celebrate it. In case you see some of us working on cards, it's just for the birthday.
Well, there's no birthday party. We're just going to socially distance with them in their backyard this afternoon.
Yeah.
Just in case you're curious. All right. Hello.
Why don't you ever take down me?
Because I always forget. It looks like cloudy days are better for the viewing of our show because there's less sun coming in. So hopefully you can see everything a little bit better today. All right, let us begin our day together while the girls put the... Hey, Wells. You did ask politely. Wells, it is her day. Let her...
Mommy, that was from my day, so I want to do it. It's from my day.
Can you please put that back up so that she can do it? And then you can do it.
Kinsey, watch out. There's Kinsey.
Is this how we want to be on our show? Wells, Jessen.
Yeah.
Come here.
There's Kinsey. There's a certain spot.
Well, I'm going to get going because that's just a little bit ridiculous. All right. Let's see how we are feeling today. Here we go. Hello. Oh, that's too high. There we go. Hello, everybody. How are you? Hello, everybody. How are you? Hello, everybody.
How are you?
Good choice.
How are you today?
How are you feeling today? Are you feeling happy, sad, mad, tired? Frustrated, hungry? Maybe you're hungry today. We were hungry this morning, weren't we? We slept really long. Hello, everybody. Pat your head. Hello, everybody. Pat your head. Hello, everybody. Pat your head. Pat your head today. Stomp your feet. Hello, everybody. Stomp your feet. Hello, everybody. Stomp your feet. Hello, everybody. Stomp your feet. Stomp your feet today. Clap your hands. Hello, everybody. Clap your hands. Hello, everybody. Clap your hands. Hello, everybody. Clap your hands. Clap your hands today. Jump up and down. Hello, everybody. Jump up and down. Hello, everybody. Jump up and down. Hello, everybody. Jump up and down. Jump up and down today. Wave hello. Hello, everybody. Wave hello. Everybody, wave hello. Hello, everybody. Wave hello. Wave hello today. Wave hello today. One last time. Wave hello today. All right. Yes, Wells. Did you have a question?
Yes.
Ooh, what's your question?
I told Kinsey that there were certain spots where these went in, and she put this one off the track. So
You know what, Wells?
it's supposed to go a little closer.
It doesn't have to be perfect, does it? No. Something that we have to learn on an everyday basis. It doesn't have to be perfect. You just do your best, right?
Here you
All right.
go, Well.
Wells, it is Kinsey's day today, and Kinsey chose the song, the Peanut Butter and Jelly Song, which is a Miss Megan original.
We first did the hello song.
We did first do that. We always start our day with the hello song. But now we're going to do another song, and it is the Peanut Butter and Jelly Song.
Oh, and if you see something purple on my mom, I made her a ring.
Oh, yes. Wells made me a beautiful ring. See? Boop.
And purple's my favorite
Purple's
color.
Kinsey's favorite color. All right. How do we go together? Do we go together? What things go together? Peanut butter and jelly go together? There are other foods that go together. Let's see what we're going to come up with today. You ready? Here we go. We go together like peanut butter and jelly. Kinsey, don't do that. You know what? You cannot go near near this. Otherwise it's gonna bump the camera and it's gonna be shaky for everybody. Let's try that again. We go together like peanut butter and jelly. We go together, my friends, family and me. One more time. We go together like peanut butter and jelly. We go together, my friends, family and me. Bacon is so delicious, and don't forget the eggs. Putting these two together is what I hope to get. Squeezing out the syrup makes my waffles sweet. Add a little butter, fingers get sticky, and makes me so happy. We go together like peanut butter and jelly. We go together, my friends, family and me. One more time. We go together like peanut butter and jelly. We go together, my friends, family and me. Taco Tuesday. When it's Taco Tuesday, there's one more thing I need. Except the avocados and the corn to make some guacamole. Everything goes together. They're just what I need. Don't forget the best yet, creamy macaroni and cheese. We go together like peanut butter and jelly. We go together, my friends, family and me. We go together like peanut butter and jelly. We go together, my friends, family and me. Last verse. I'll go grab the sprinkles when you're the birthday cake. Put them both together. They are so good to make. At the bottom of a cup of yummy milk is where my cookies will rest. Then together they'll mix in my tummy. It really is the best. We go together like peanut butter and jelly. We go together, my friends, family and me. Last time. We go together like peanut butter and jelly. We go together, my friends, family and me.
You need to pull off the cobweb.
What?
I think you need to pull off.
No, that's gonna stay there. So hopefully it makes it easier for people to see.
Mommy.
All right.
What is this?
Yeah, well, it'll be okay. Special announcement today. I am excited to tell you that just as of this morning, the Llama Glama song is up on music platforms everywhere. It won't be under Camp Kindergarten because that was an album and this is released as a single. So if you would like to find the Llama Glama song, which is the title of the song, Llama spelled L-A-M-A, not L-L-A-M-A.
The Llama song waltzes.
What?
The Llama song waltzes.
I don't know what you mean.
Can
by
I
that.
choose a song for today too?
No.
With the
She
llama-
chose it yesterday, yes. The Llama Glama song, you can find it under the artist name Meg,
Why did
the
you
letter
do the
N,
Llama
and the
song
word Doug.
then?
Meg and Doug. What?
Why did you do the Llama
Why did I do it?
Huh?
What do you mean?
The Llama song?
Yesterday?
Oh, today.
We didn't do it. You didn't pick that song. You picked the peanut butter and jelly song.
But someone did pick that.
All right, anyways, the Llama Glama song out on music platforms.
And I healed it.
Go ahead and find that
It wasn't in my
today.
hand.
All right, months of the year. Kinsey, let's do the months of the year. Quickly, quickly, quickly. All right, I'm going to move the camera so you can see. Move the camera so you can see. There we go. All right, Kinsey, you ready? Am I gonna do it or are you gonna do it? Bum, ba, da, bum, ba,
I'm
bum.
gonna do
All
it.
right, do you want me to lift you up?
Yeah.
Okay.
I have this cord.
Jump, 1, 2, 3. Hi! June, July, August and September, back to school so we remember. October, November, and December, we know our months so we end the song here. We know our months so we end the song here. All right, Kins, are you ready to pick a
You said A.
day? I did. Days of the week, the cha-cha-cha, or boop-ba-da-boop-boop-boo. Oh, that did not work. Days of the week, cha-cha-cha, or the Sunday Monday song. What do you want? What do you want, my child?
I didn't hear you.
Days of the week, Sunday Monday song, or the cha-cha-cha.
You have cha-cha.
My cha-cha-cha. All right, here we go. Oh, can you see this? Let's see. I think so. Days of the week. Days of the week. Yeah. Days of the week. Days of the week. Yeah. Sunday, Monday. Cha, cha, cha. Tuesday, Wednesday. Cha, cha, cha. Thursday, Friday. Cha, cha, cha. Saturday. Cha, cha, cha. Days of the week. Days of the week. Yeah. Days of the week. Days of the week.
Yeah.
All right, Kins, it's time to do the weather. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it snowy out today? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it cloudy? Is it windy? Is it foggy out today? All right, let me turn you so you can see Kinsey. Kinsey, what is the weather like today?
Make sure they can't see me.
Okay. Sweetheart, what's the weather like today?
I know what. Connor and Russell, if you're watching, I hope you have fun.
What's the weather like today? What's the weather like where you are?
Sunny.
It is sunny for us, you're right. Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it cloudy? Is it foggy? Is it windy? Is it snowy? Is it sleeting? Is it cold? Is it hot? Is it cold? Is it warm? Is it cool? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather where you are today? Boop. I just made that up. Kind of a silly little doodad. All right. It is sunny here.
Yeah, Mommy.
Kinsey, is it gonna... Actually, it's kind of cloudy too. Did you look out the window? You can put sunny and... Or you can put partly cloudy. What do you choose? You can put sunny and cloudy.
Mommy, look at what I made. The cards, the envelope's done for Hazel.
Oh, that's beautiful. You should show everybody your beautiful hearts that you made.
What's the temperature like Hazel's probably
What is the temperature like today? What is the temperature like today? It's going to be hot, hot, hot.
Look, there's a black
Feeling
squirrel.
Yes. While Kinsey's finishing that up, we're going to move on to the analogy. So I'm going to...
Find the hot.
Hot. H-O-T. Hot, hot, hot. H-O-T. Hot, hot, hot. Hot. All right, we're going to turn back this way. There we go. Okie dokies. Our analogy for today. Remember, an analogy compares two things. So let's figure out what two things we're going to compare. All right, here we go. Kins, do you have it over there, or do you need any help? Sweetheart? Bueller? I think she's got it. All right, our analogy. Let's take a look at it today. We have...
Mommy, I can't.
Mommy, can you please help me? Oh, you got it.
No,
I just need to push that in a little bit.
all the way screwed.
All right, there we go. Boop. All right. Our analogy. We have... Kinsey, can you look at this for me? Pen is to pencil, as scissors is to what? Kinsey, what's the relationship between a pen and a pencil? They're both what? Hey, they're both what?
I know.
It's not your day today. Kinsey, what's the relationship between a pen and a pencil? They are both what? Things that you...
Draw on paper.
Oh, write with or draw with. Okay. So let's see here. Let's see what our choices are. Pen is to pencil as scissors is to ruler. What do scissors do?
Cut.
They cut things. Pen is to pencil as scissors is to paperclip.
If it was paper, then it would be a yes.
Pen is to pencil as scissors is to glue.
Yeah.
No. Pen is to pencil as scissors is to knife.
No. Yes. Knife.
Wells, can you please be quiet right now? Kinsey, if both a pen and a pencil are things that you can draw with, then these two things need to be things that you can do what with?
Cut.
Cut. So which one of these choices is something that you can cut something with? Can you cut something with a ruler? Usually not. Can you cut something?
Oh, yes.
Well, that's like a saw, but this is not a saw. This is a ruler. Can you cut something with a paperclip?
Yes.
Not really. What about with glue? Can you cut something with glue?
Yes.
No.
You glue it together and you cut it with scissors.
With scissors. And what about when you're eating your food? Do you sometimes use a knife and a fork to cut your food? Or you probably don't use that. I do. Do you ever see me use a knife to cut my food?
Yes.
Yes. So are you.
Cut it off and too.
I do cut your food with a knife. So our answer is D. And Kinsey's Polly Pocket just came apart. There you go. Oh, see?
That's what happened to one of my pockets.
Fix that real fast and then move on to our counting for today. Well, it probably. Can you please not touch the chair?
Yeah.
Please. Thank you. Here you go. All fixed. What do you say?
Thank you, Mom.
Say think. Thank you. Good job.
Mommy.
All right, let's do some counting, shall we? Let's see. I think you can almost see everything. I just need to tilt this up just a hair.
What does just a hair
Means just a little bit. All right. We're going to count and see how many days we have had camp today. There.
Oh, you mean counting?
All right, here we go.
Today, no.
You guys ready to count with me? Get your counting hats on. Here we go.
No, get your gear on.
Oh, you need to scoot to the side so everybody can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Well, can you stop doing it that way? 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. What comes after 29? 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. What comes after 39?
60.
Not 60. 40. Let's scoot over to the other side so everybody can see. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. What comes after 49?
60.
Not 60 yet. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. Kinsey, what comes after 59? 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67.
68.
We have been in camp together for 68 days. Kinsey, what do you think a 68 looks like? No peeking. No peeking. What do you think a 68 looks like? Let's look at our pattern. A 6 and a 1, a 6 and a 2, a 6 and a 3,
A
a
6.
6 and a 4, a 6 and a 5, a 6 and a 6,
8 and a 6.
a 6 and a 7,
A 8 and a 6.
not an 8 and a 6.
A 2 and a 6.
No, a 6 and an 8. 6 and an 8. Make a line and a loop. Mr. Six rolls a hoop. Make an S and don't be late. Hurry back up. Make an 8. All right, we're going to put that right here.
No, Hazel. The shade so they can see. Hazel.
Well, stop.
Hazel, if you're watching, this is your card. You get to open it up.
All right, well, thank you. Put that up there.
And also, Archer, if you're watching, don't get sad. I made you one too.
Okay, thank you, Alice. All right, guess what? It is time to do our science experiment. I feel like I need to get some science goggles and some white coats. That would make the science experiment part a bit more fun. All right, my book. I think I put it outside already. All right, we're going to bring you guys outside. This time, we're going to go out to the front because our experiment is going to get a little bit messy, I think. Normally, I practiced the experiment once before, and I didn't do that. So I'm hoping that it goes okay. But I do not want the mess on my deck. I'd rather have it on my driveway. So we're going to go out to the front. Wells, can you carry the computer for me? You're going to carry my book.
Can you carry this?
No, this is not coming outside right now.
Okay.
All right, here we go. No, you cannot carry this.
Where's the book?
The book is in the kitchen, I believe. Or maybe it's outside. I don't remember. Let's go look and see. Bum 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 ba-dum ba-dum. Bum 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 ba-dum ba-dum. Bum 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 ba-dum ba-dum. Bum ba. It is not outside. Did you find the book in the kitchen?
Yeah.
Great. Out we go. Bum 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 ba-dum ba-dum. 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 All right, come on out, kiddo.
Mommy, it's stepping on fairy dust.
Yep. All right. Wells, can you please bring the computer over here so I can see? We're not bringing it that far. All right, we're going to set you guys right here, I think.
Here's the book,
Can I have the
Mommy.
computer so I can see what everybody
Why is
sees?
this computer always this cold?
It's dirty. I need to clean it.
Baba,
let's see
here you
here.
go.
We are now in the front.
This is what the
I'm going
front
to angle you
looks
guys
like.
down a little bit.
Now these sunglasses science experiment is gonna be a baggy explosion.
Let's see. It is called a Baggie explosion. All right.
That's our science
Hope this is
experiment.
okay. Oh, this hurts my knees.
Can I do it first, Mommy?
Yep, you're my helper today. Oh, this might actually be better to do it out in the front because when we walk on... Can you scoot over, please? When we walk on the deck, then our camera moves. So now that we're on solid ground, we should be good. All right, let me see.
I actually think we should start doing all of our science experiments out here.
Move this so you guys can see what we're doing here.
Mommy! Wait, why do we have toilet paper?
I don't know. We'll have to find out, won't we? In fact, I think I'm going to move you guys down a step. There's 2 little steps.
Going underneath, Mommy.
I'll bring you guys down a step.
And if you can see any fairy dust, will you show them? Because it's right underneath.
Not right now. We're not doing
No,
fairy
fairy dust
Okay.
was right there.
Shh, Kinsey. Kinsey. Kinsale.
Well, come here.
Kinsey Carson Chesson. All right.
Fairy dust in the
You
flower.
might be familiar with making a volcano out of baking soda and vinegar. But what happens if you put these 2 ingredients in a sealed plastic bag? What do you think is going to happen? What do you think might happen when we put this baking soda and vinegar in this bag? Normally when we put those together, it bubbles up and makes a volcano.
Mommy.
So, excuse me.
Mommy.
What do you think might happen, Kinsey?
It's going to explode out of the
You
baggie.
think it's going to explode out the baggie?
Mommy,
Like
what
that.
I think,
Let me know.
Mommy, it may be the same as my sister, or maybe it will explode up like our
Yeah, let's try that.
M&M thing.
Maybe. All right, so here's what we need to do. It says, this
Mommy,
is from, this,
Mommy,
well, stop.
after
This
class,
is-
can I
excuse
try
me.
it?
Yes, this is my book that I'm using. Awesome Science Experiments for Kids by Crystal Chatterton. All right, we're going to add the ingredients. It says, be sure to conduct this experiment outside or somewhere else where it's okay if you make a little mess. So, it says, measure and pour a 1/2 cup of vinegar. This is a 1/2 cup. Do you see on the end where there's a 1 and a slash and a 2 right here? That means it is 1/2 of a full cup. So we're gonna take our vinegar.
Can I pour it in?
You-
Sorry if it's a little noisy
You're
because
gonna-
we're out in the front.
Well, please stop. You're gonna hold this, and I'm gonna pour the vinegar into our cup. Vinegar is a little stinky sometimes. Mm-hmm. All right, can you hold that? Now,
How
Kinsey's gonna dump this
It's better that you can't smell it and
into
only we can.
the baggie. So we're gonna put it in the baggie. She's gonna dump it in there. There we go. All right. Now, we're gonna just close this because it says to set it aside for right now. So we're gonna put this over here. We're gonna move our vinegar aside. I don't think we need it right now. Now, it says place 1 tablespoon. This is a tablespoon. Place 1 tablespoon of baking soda on a couple of squares of toilet paper. So can you rip off some toilet paper?
We're using toilet paper.
We are using toilet paper. A hot commodity these days.
It is
All right,
disgusting.
Kinsey, can you hold this for me, nice and flat? Here we go. So I'm gonna take my baking soda. Put my
Baking soda is
Can you
also
stop
sometimes
interrupting?
stinky.
Can you stop interrupting, please? I'm gonna take my tablespoon of baking soda.
Mommy,
Here's what it looks like.
we use baking soda to make chocolate
And
chip
it's
cookies.
You're right. We do use baking soda to make chocolate chip cookies. Very good.
And banana bread.
Well, I mean, yes, we do use it to make banana bread. All right,
We use it for almost everything.
girls, can you stop
we
interrupting, please? Thank you. It says
My legs.
place 1 tablespoon of baking soda on a couple of squares of toilet paper. So hold it out. And we're gonna put our tablespoon on the toilet paper. See that? Now it says fold and twist the baking soda into a little ball around the baking soda. Now, here comes the experiment part. You guys ready? What's going to happen when we drop this into the baggie, seal up the baggie, shake it up, and drop it on the ground? What is our hypothesis? What do we think is going to happen?
Mommy,
What do you think is going to happen? Kinsey, what do you think is going to happen?
it's gonna slip.
It's going to slip?
See, it's gonna be a slippy driveway.
Let's see. Wells, what do you think?
I think it may fall and the bag may open up.
All right, well, let's see here.
And
It
hit the
says,
ground.
quickly drop the baking soda pouch into the baggie and zip up the top. Give the baggie a few shakes, drop it on the ground, and take a few steps back. All right, you ready? Kinsey, are you ready?
Ready.
Should we drop it in there? All right, zip up the bag.
Whoa.
That happened quickly, didn't it? So what happened? Should we do that again?
Yeah.
I'm going to go
Mommy,
grab another bag. We're going to do it
Mommy.
one more time. What?
Can we do it more than one?
Yes, after we're done with kindergarten, we can do a couple more.
Here, Kenzie, yeah. Here, let's do this. Now, Kenzie, now look at the toilet paper.
What did we notice here?
It bursted out of the bag and made a big crack, which I was right about. Look what the toilet paper
Look at that.
did.
Is that the toilet paper?
Yeah,
Oh, interesting. Check out the toilet paper. It's all,
soaking wet.
it doesn't really look like toilet paper. It looks like goop. All right, should we try that one more time?
Yeah.
Instant
And
replay.
this time, can I do it?
No. Kinsey will do it. You did not let Kinsey do your experiment on your day, so you can do
No.
the experiment. Excuse
Yes.
me.
On my
After. You
explosion.
did it after. You did not let her put a pencil in when it was your day. So we'll do this experiment again after we're done.
Mommy,
Yeah, we'll wash our hands when we go back inside. All right. Can you hold this?
Mommy, this time can we try a little more shake?
Ooh.
See what happens.
Well, I had to do that shake really fast and let go of the baggie because it happened. The reaction happened really fast.
Well, then maybe do one shake this time and see what
It
happens.
says change the variables to see how you can get the best pop from the baggie. Vary the amounts of baking soda
Mommy.
and vinegar and the
Mommy.
size of the baggie. Ooh,
Mommy.
that's an interesting concept.
Mommy, how about we put a little more baking
Should
soda
we put more
in
baking
it?
soda in? Should we put
And
more
then
baking soda in this time? Maybe put 2 tablespoons of baking soda? All right, here we
I
go.
want to put the baking
Yep.
soda. Can we each do one?
Wells, what did I already tell you? Can you hold that, Kinsey?
Yeah.
Okay, be careful. Got it? Oop, up. All right. So now we're going to take 2 tablespoons of baking soda. All right. We have our toilet paper here.
Here, Mama.
So that is not a full tablespoon, see? She's got half of a tablespoon, so we want to get a full tablespoon. Maybe we'll just do a heaping tablespoon.
What's a heaping tablespoon?
A heaping tablespoon means it's not fully flat.
Mommy, can we do one more?
Well, we're going to do this one, and then we're going to put a little bit more in there, Kins. We're going to do this one, and then we're going to go inside, finish our camp kindergarten, and then we can come back outside and do some more, okay? Oh, okay. Yep. All right, pour that in there. Ooh, that's a lot of baking soda. Look at that. What do you think is going to happen now that we have more baking soda? Do you think that the reaction is going to be what?
Faster.
A faster reaction?
Or maybe slower. I want to shake it up. Or maybe higher.
I'm going to shake it up because it happens usually so quickly that I'm afraid it will explode on you. So you stand over here.
Can I put the baking soda in?
Oh, you want to put it in the bag? All right. Put it in. All right, here we go. Oh, it's already working. Oh, that was just a little explosion, wasn't it?
Maybe this time we put more vinegar in.
All right, you know what? We're going to play around with this after camp. Is done. And we're going to see what happens when we use a bigger baggie or a smaller baggie. This is something that, if you have these ingredients at home, you can do at home too. Okay.
This is a new fun toy.
No, it's not a toy. Can you put it on the ground, please, right now? And then, actually, both of you need to go inside and wash your hands, please.
I'm squeezing it out.
And then your hands are now full of vinegar, so I'd like for you to go wash your hands, please.
Yeah. Can I just squeeze out this other one?
I would like for you to go inside and wash your hands, please.
Okay.
Thank you. Kinsey, you too. Okay, so let's talk about what happened there. When the baking soda and the vinegar are mixed together, they react to produce something that we've already learned about. A gas called carbon dioxide. Can you all say carbon dioxide? Carbon dioxide. We learned about carbon dioxide with our Alka-Seltzer experiment that we did. We learned about carbon dioxide with our raisin experiment that we did. Carbon dioxide is a gas that, as more of the carbon dioxide fills up the baggie, the pressure inside gets bigger, and once that pressure is so high that the baggie can no longer contain it, then the baggie pops. So it's very similar to our experiment that we did with the Alka-Seltzer tablet and the M&M's container. So very fun. All right, we're going to go inside and finish up our camp kindergarten with our joke of the day and possibly one more something. Wells, can you grab the computer for me?
What?
We're going to go finish up. Please grab the computer and bring it in.
Yeah.
Bum, 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 ba-dum, ba-dum. Can you open the door for me too, please?
I can't do both.
Okay.
Maybe
I'll open the door. Bum, 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 ba-dum. Nope, go ahead. Dun, 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 dun. 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 Dun, 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 dun. All right, field trip, field trip, field trips. Oh, that dog. I'm telling you, she is barking, barking, barking.
Hazel.
All right, Wells, can you stop, please? Kinsey, it is time for us to do our joke of the day. All right, put you down gently. See what you see here. All right,
Wait,
Kins.
Mommy, we already did the joke
We
of
did
the
not do the joke of the day today. There we go. All right, here we go.
Probably thinking about
Joke
yesterday.
of the day.
Mommy, how do you get it back up?
Can you scooch over for me?
How do you get it up?
I will help you in a minute, but not right now. All right, Kins, we need to circle our popcorn words after I read this. Can you repeat after me? Joke of the day. Your turn.
Joke
Of the day. My turn. How does the ocean say hello?
How does the ocean say hello?
Oh my gosh, that was really funny. Kinsey, can you tell me, is this one of our popcorn words? Joke? No. Is of a popcorn word? Yes. Can you please circle it? And then move to the side.
No!
Is the a popcorn word? Yes, circle it. Scooch over. Is day a popcorn word? No. Is how a popcorn word? No. Is does a popcorn word? No. The? Yes, circle it. Is ocean a popcorn word? Say? Or hello? No. How many popcorn words did we circle?
3.
1, 2, 3. Can you make a 3 right here?
No, that could have been cool.
Around a tree, around a tree.
So 1, 2, 3.
Well, please stop for a moment. No, we're going to put how many popcorn words we found here and how many words that are not popcorn words here to see how many words we have in our message all together. Okay, let's do that one again.
What one again?
Around a tree, around a tree. No, sweetheart, no.
Can't do a
Let me help you. Around a tree, around a tree. That's the way we make a 3. All right, let's count how many words are not popcorn words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Across the sky and down we're revving. That's the way we make a 7.
Can I give you my guess?
Very good. Nope, we're going to count all together. Here we go. Let's count all of our words here that are up here. 1. Please don't do that. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How do we make a 10? You're going to break this and then we're not going to be able to use it.
A 10?
A 10. How do we make a 10? A 1 and a 0. All right, very good. Scooch over, please.
Big 10.
Let's read our math equation together. 3 plus 7 equals 10. Very good. We have 10 words in our message. We're going to sing one last song to end our time together. All
And
right.
Tushy words.
Excuse me, we do not talk like that.
Oops. Hey, Doodle. Sorry if you think that's our doorbell.
Yeah, it's not the doorbell. That is...
What isn't?
That is... I have a little wind chime that hangs from the light in here, and that's what...
And the hammock swing.
Here we go. We're going to do a Lori Berkner song to end our day. I'm going to catch you. Good. Okay. Thank you for
Mommy, look at her.
joining us today. I hope you had fun. We're going to go do some more of those science experiments outside. We will be back next Tuesday. Just a reminder, birthdays will be announced on Tuesday. So if you have a birthday, next Tuesday through, let's see, let me get my calendar up here. If your child's birthday is June 30th through July 6th, when I put that post up on Monday night, please comment on that then. Also, don't forget to find the Llama Glama song under the artist name Meg and Doug. And what else was I going to tell you? So I hope you had fun. Remember that what makes you different is what makes you beautiful. Always be kind.